Hey, how's it going? Austin here to spend a little bit of time with you. Got quite a bit I want to cover in this particular session. We've got a very interesting scenario playing out. The stock market is effectively crashing. We've got a flash crash going on right now over in the stock market side. Crypto is reacting really, really well. Going to show you that in this particular segment here in just a minute. But I wanted to, again, thank you for your time. Hit that subscribe button, please, and drop a like on this. I would greatly appreciate your help in that regard. And so let's get in this. We're going to cover a lot. And yeah, let's go. Okay. So quite a bit going on right now. So right now in the stock market, as of the recording of this, the stock market is down dramatically. Look at this. The stock market is down 571 to 595. That's the Dow 30 down 1.68%. The NASDAQ down 186. And then if we flip our attention over to crypto's looking fantastic, right? So crypto is up as a comparison to this scenario playing out, which I think is really interesting. This to me shows the run, if you will, the run to crypto when quite a bit from a negative perspective is going on the traditional finance side of the house. So look at this. So things are going well right here. You got Bitcoin lifting 1%, Ethereum lifting 1% up, etc. So in the top 20, it looks like Solana, Litecoin are kind of percentage gainer moves up here. SHIB's up 0.5%. So things are looking good there. But this to me is really the lead story where you've got the traditional finance market, Dow 30, NASDAQ going down dramatically. Now, this is all directly related to kind of two scenarios, which we're going to dig into right now, where the banks are sinking, going down because of what we know in the capacity of, First Republic and what's playing out there with that, that bank failure. And then you've also got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting that started today. We're going to talk about that more here in a little bit, but it's really this banking story that is the lead story there. So yeah, interesting scenarios. So please, definitely drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and would love to say thank you for doing that.